गुड मॉर्निंग। अब हम नोडल प्लेन डिस्कस करने जा रहे हैं। नोडल प्लेन, the plane passing through the nucleus where the probability of finding electron 0 is called nodal plane. The plane passing through the nucleus where the probability of finding electron zero, probability of finding electron 0 is called nodal plane. For example, if we take p orbital, py orbital, because lobe present along the y-axis, py orbital. Let this one is x-axis and this one is z-axis, and this one is the zx plane. In zx plane there is no electron. Electron only present in this lobe along the y-axis. Here electron finding probability 95%. In this plane there is no electron. So this plane, zx plane, is known as nodal plane for py orbital. For any orbital, number of nodal planes that is equal to L. That is equal to L. That means for 1s, 2s, 3s and so on. For all these orbitals, L value 0, S means L value 0. So for all these orbitals, nodal planes that is equal to 0. Similarly, 2p, 3p, 4p and so on, 5p, 6p. For all these orbitals, nodal planes that is equal to 1. Why? For p, L value 1. Similarly, 3d, 4d, 5d, 6d and so on. For all these nodal planes that is equal to 2. Why? For d, L value is 2. So number of nodal planes for orbital is equal to L. If you take s orbital is spherical. We can find electron around the nucleus. Anywhere we can find electron 95%. S orbital shape is spherical. So nodal plane, anywhere we can find electron means nodal plane that is equal to 0 for s orbital. Next, p orbital. P orbitals are three types. We know that px along the x-axis. P orbital shape is dumbbell. Px means lobe present along the x-axis. Py, lobe present along the y-axis. Pz, lobe present along the z-axis. In case of px, the nodal plane is, for all p orbitals, number of nodal planes is equal to 1. Why? For p, L value is equal to 1. For px, let this one is the y-axis and this one is the z-axis. For px, zy is the nodal plane. For py, let this one is x-axis and this one is z-axis. Zx or xz is the nodal plane. For pz orbital, z orbital means it is present along the lobe present along the z-axis. Okay. Xy is the nodal plane. Xy or yx is the nodal plane. Now discuss about d orbitals. We know that shape is double dumbbell shape. These are 5 types: dxy, yz, dzx, dx square minus y square, dz square, 5 types. dxy means first. dxy means lobe present in between the x and y axis. This one. dyz means lobes are present in between the y and z axis. In this double dumbbell shape, only electron finding probability maximum. In anywhere out of this double dumbbell, electron finding probability is 0, that is node. Zx, lobe present between x and z axis. Okay. Next, dx square minus y square. dx square minus y square. In this orbital, lobes are present along the x and y axis. Lobes are present along the x and y axis. Next, dz square. In dz square, one lobe present along the z axis and one lobe present along the x and y axis are perpendicular to the z axis. These are the shapes of the d orbitals. Now we discuss lobes of d orbitals. Okay, this one is the z axis. For d, L value is equal to 2, that means number of nodal planes 2. For all d orbitals, number of nodal planes 2. This one is z axis, so zx and zy. Zx, zy, these are the nodal planes of the dxy. Similarly, y axis, z axis means this one is x axis. xy and xz, these are the nodal planes of dyz. xy and zx, these are the nodal planes of the dyz. Next, dzx. This one is y axis because xz, these are the y. This one is the y axis, and xy, zy, these are the nodal planes of dzx. Which one? xy, zy. These are the nodal planes of the dzx. Next, in case of dx square, y square, lobes are present along the axis, not in between. So nodal plane is present between the axis, it making exact 45 degrees to the x and y axis. Two planes which are passing through the nucleus making 45 degrees to x and y axis. These are the two nodal planes in the dx square minus y square. What about dz square? It is an exception case. In dz square, nodal plane 0. In dz square, nodal plane 0. Why? One lobe present along the z axis and the second lobe present along the x and y axis. xy axis contain lobe and z axis also contain lobe. That means number of nodal planes 0 for dz square. Actually for d orbital, number of nodal planes 2, but this one is exception case. Okay. So these are the nodal planes in the orbitals. Okay, thank you for listening. Subscribe my channel, University of Chemistry. Thank you.